Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. Life is so short, y'all. You really gotta live each and every moment as if it's your last. And while you are living, you gotta have your fits ready, okay? Because what's life with a boring outfit? Boring. And of course, SHEIN came through with the outfit, y'all. So whether it's a brunch look, a going out look, or a classy occasion, SHEIN has pieces for the entire family, like literally. Let's get locked, loaded, and ready to go. Make sure you got your little drinky drink ready, because we about to get into these fits, y'all. And I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, because of course I'm gonna keep it cute, and of course I'm gonna keep it honest. So let's get into these pieces, y'all. Get into the fits, get into the fits, get into the fits. I'm so excited, y'all. Can you tell? Boom, 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 boom. It's that season, summer dress season. Ooh. Oh, thought it had pockets. And I thought it was long, but it's like almost ankle length, mid-calf. And for reference, I'm 5'6", 5'7"-ish. I like to give myself an extra inch sometimes just to make myself feel taller. But this is a blue and white. It's giving like a tie-dye type vibe, and it is a halter. It ties around the neck, but you know how sometimes with halter dresses or shirts or anything, you feel like you're being strained or choked around the neck. This actually is not choking me, and I think it's because I actually have on the proper undergarments today, y'all. Let's give it up. Okay. And I think it's because I have on this a strapless bra, and they already got the girl sitting up, so like it's literally not straining me around the neck at all. You can adjust and tie as needed. So at the top, it's like a stretchy cotton-like material. At the bottom, there's no stretch. The bottom is a different material than the top. But I love the way the top fits. Like, it fits so cute. The way that they have it stitched right here at the waist definitely gives the illusion that the waist is there. But we all know the waist is there. Waist always snatched, okay? But get into the dress, y'all. What do y'all think? This is the back. But I love this dress. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, I love it. I feel so cutesy, so sexy, so summery. So we have what's this, like a bantu type top? Is that what it's called? But it's stretchy. And it's long enough to cover the girl in my strapless bra. Then we got the skirt. It's got a little stretch around the waist, but not too much. It does hit the floor on me. I'm in love. It's pink and orange. Okay, let me show you the back. Hey, if it's not pulled up all the way in the back, save it. I don't think it is. And it's actually a two-piece, y'all. Two totally separate pieces. I love the colors. I love, love, love the colors. Like, this is so pretty. It's giving me island vibes. I'm an island gal. Island gal. Oh, perfect for the island, for Jamaica. I want to go to Jamaica. I want to go back to Jamaica. But I really love this. I feel so cutesy, so girly, so dainty. Like, I just feel like that girl, which y'all know I am. But I really love this little two-piece number. What do y'all think? Like, I really don't want to take it out. I really love it. What y'all think? Put some Lulu on this. Lululemon. That's the vibe that I'm getting from this, y'all. So this is just like a dress. So it does have shorts under it. So that way, you know, you just don't have no little dress on. No little dress on. And it's got the pockets in the front. It's very stretchy. Not just shorts, it has like a whole little jumpsuit of under it. Black little number. It's definitely giving me the Lulu vibes, honey. Cute little sneaker, sandal, whatever, however you want to wear it, you can wear it. But it's so cute. Back. Simple little cute black number. Okay, so let's get into this knit top, y'all. And these are all the rage these days. It's definitely what's in. Like, every time I turn around, I see a knit or a crochet type outfit, which I love because it gives you a lot of options. The reason that I love these types of pieces so much is because they're super stretchy. Like, you can wear them different ways. Normally you would say, oh, I can wear this to the beach or wear it for a specific occasion, but I just feel the versatility in this type of top. So I can wear it just like this as a top. I can open it up, wear like a little bralette or something under it and let it flow. I can wear a bathing suit under it. Like, you have so many different ways that you can wear it. And it's so cute. So this is like a cream color. Get into the details though. Can you see that? It's like a pearl with some embellishment on the outside. Super cute. Does it let you unbutton it? Yes, it does. So you can unbutton. And it's a cream color with the forest green, and then there's like a lighter green. I thought it was black, but it's like a dark green. But it is really, really cute, y'all. This is the back. And guess what? It got pockets. Like, this is really, really cute. I've been looking for like some tops because I get tired of wearing the same crop tops and things like that. And I want like little versatile pieces, and this is gonna give me what I need. And you compare this probably, like, I got on some biker shorts right now. You compare it with biker shorts, tights, jeans. Like, you got some cute little palazzo pants. Like, you can really do so many different looks with this one shirt. Okay, so this little number is pretty much in the same avenue as the one before. It is a little longer, so I think I'll be comfortable with this itself. I love the yellow color. I think it's really, really pretty. It's stretchy. It does come down a little more. But you know, when you got legs and hips and body and thighs and all that gets to, it'll rise right back up. But I feel comfortable. I feel okay with the fit and the way that it looks and the length. What y'all think? This is the back. I really like it though. It's cute. I really love the color most of all. And the buttons do button if you want to, you know, give yourself a little less boob. It doesn't show a whole lot, but I really like this. What do you think? Okay, so this is a dress, but on me it looks more like a shirt. So definitely gonna wear this as like a shirt. Maybe if you don't have, you know, legs and hips and body, it might work. Or, you know, this may be the look you're going for, but on me, it's a little too much for the streets, okay? But I love the color, it's cute. I love the concept. Great for back to school as a shirt. Don't get dress coded, kids. But this is really cute. I do feel real cute and I love this color. Y'all know how I feel about me in orange, okay? It's gonna hit every time. What do y'all think? Cute as a shirt, cute as a dress. Still cute, but too short for me. stretchy. I feel like I have a face right here with the boobs and the mouth. Okay, so y'all, that wraps up this Shein plus size, Shein Curve plus haul. So I had so much fun trying on these different looks for y'all, these different pieces. I'm gonna be adding some of these pieces to my regular rotation because they were just so cute and so tea. Let me know down in the comments, which one was your favorite? Which one were you feeling the most, or which ones were you feeling the most? Let me know which ones I was feeling the most. Can you guess? Also, let me know if you tried Shein's Curve Plus line. I can remember years ago where it was really limited as to what you could buy, but like now they've stepped their game up, baby. And they have taken off and become one of the companies that has the cutest stuff for plus sizes. And not only cute, but affordable. So let me know if you tried Shein before down in the comments. Let me know which outfit you like the most, which one I like the most. Make sure that you like this video, and make sure most importantly that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I'm just feeling like that girl, y'all. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing anyway, but you definitely can't tell me nothing today. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Ken and Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love, love, love.